Welcome to 3 Excel Power Tips for Formatting Excel. I'm TrainerLori. This quick session covers cell styles, custom styles, and Save As Template.
The first way to format quickly is through cell styles. You'll find it under Home Cell Styles, and there's lots of choices in there. All you do is select the cells or range of cells that you want to choose for these styles. That's the hardest part, is just selecting the data first, and then come in here and pick one. Very easy way to make it look very pretty. However, you can create your own cell style simply by either formatting it in advance or use the format option under the style. Now this will, when you save it, it'll save it with the name, but it will only be for this workbook. It's not something that you can share from workbook to workbook. A great tip is to be able to save your workbook as a template. Just think about all those documents that you've created that you need to use maybe every week, every month, even if you only have to use them every year, but you need a new version of it. How many of us go into our old version and do a save as? And one day you're going to forget to hit save as first, and you're going to just hit save, and you're going to have lost your old version. We don't want to do that anymore. What we want to do is create a template. So what you do is you create all the formatting that you want, all the formulas that you want, all the headers that you want, but you delete all the raw data. You take all of that out, and you can use your Control-G, your go-to special, to find all those constants, and simply hit delete. And then you want to save as a template. So go to File, Save As, or one of my favorites, F12, keyboard shortcut, and then when it says Save As Type, choose in there Excel Template. You have 3 options, depending on if it has macros or if you want to save it in an older version for compatibility mode. And then to open it, go to File, New, then Personal, and your template will be listed there.